Hello everyone, welcome back. It's finished. Got it all strung up, ready to go. Got my own little truss rod cover on there. She got a serial number stamped on there. She actually turned out pretty decent for what it is. So, as a reminder, she's got the Seymour Duncan Rick pickups in there, tones, volumes. This is the mono stereo switch, which I'll demonstrate. Pickup selector for neck, middle for both, and bridge. So I'll have some tone samples that I will upload in a separate video, probably, assuming I can't figure out how to get them tied into this one, that I recorded straight into Pro Tools first using Focusrite Scarlett. I'll just play a little bit here. It's the middle position. Neck. So, I'll make some noise here so I can demonstrate this. What I'm playing through is I've got a PV Firebase 700 head into a 210 and 115. So that's what you're hearing there. So, loud noise. Oh, maybe not. I'm surprised. So, I've got stereo splitter. There's the loud noise. So I've got the other end running into a Spark 40. With some really heavy distortion going on. So if I go to just the bridge pickup, into the bass amp, and this is just the bridge pickup into the Spark 40, and then both. little stereo switch works just fine. Thanks for coming along the ride.